Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Tinder. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Tinder application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Tinder has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here right now I'm using the Tinder in light mode. So if you want to enable the dark mode, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to your settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings from here. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for appearance. Right now your system setting is selected. So simply tap on the option that is selected right now. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find three options over here. Use system setting, light mode, dark mode. So in order to enable the dark mode, what you have to do is tap on this option, dark mode. Now you can see over here the dark mode has been enabled. So like this, you'll be able to enable dark mode. So that is how you enable dark mode on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.